Hello Fernand, student of class 9th. In this video we will discuss source of labor in agriculture activities. So after land in agriculture sector in rural India, labor is the second basic factor of production and farming requires a great deal of hard work. So where the source of labor in the agriculture sector in rural India we find it. So small farmers cultivate their land with the help of their own family members. What we see as a source of labor, that a small farmer cultivate their land with the help of their own family members. Hence, they themselves provide as a source of labor in agriculture sector. Second, you can observe that medium and large farmers hire farm workers to work on their field. So they hire other workers as a source of labor, but in the case of medium and large farmers, only they can afford this. And next thing you must understand that farm laborers that work on the farm, they are paid in cash or in kind in lieu of their work. What they do, either they are paid as a cash or in kind, some other commodity they are provided in as their income. Next topic is your capital requirement in farming. That what are the capital requires in the farming agriculture sector. So let's take it. Once land and labor is assembled or taken care of, other important requirement is capital. So farmer require a great amount of capital. They require money to arrange for both fixed capital and working capital. So what we see in rural India, that medium and large farmers have their own saving from farming, so they are able to arrange for the capital they need because of their saving. So these farmers sell the surplus in the market and part of it, and they save it and use it in the buying capital such as farm machinery, raw material, etc. So this is medium and large farmer can afford it, but a small farmer have to borrow money from money lender to arrange for the capital. So they borrow from large farmer or village money lender, as we have told, or traders who supply them various inputs for cultivation, and the rate of interest that they charge is very high. So what we have seen in capital requirement in agriculture sector in rural India, that medium and large farmer they arrange themselves because they have the resources, but small farmer they are dependent on money lender and rich farmer for their capital requirement. So I think you have understood this topic, capital requirement in farming in agriculture area, in rural area, and sources of labor that we have seen. In next video we will discuss other topics of your syllabus. So thank you students for that time being. Take care of yourself. Make notes with the help of written material. Thank you very much.